Dear students, today we have to discuss about your electrical energy and electric power. What do you mean by electrical energy? The amount of work done in moving a charge between any 2 points of varying potential in an electric field is known as electrical energy and it is denoted by W. Let A is a point having potential difference, potential is V1, and B is another point having potential is V2, and a charge is in motion from A to B, then the amount of work done upon this charge is known as electrical energy. जेकोसी दुईटी बिंदु मध्य जदि डिफरेंट पोटेंशियल थाए आउ से दुईटा बिंदु मध्य जदि गोटे चार्ज मोशन करने को चाहिए से चार्ज ऊपर जी वर्क करा जाए दैट इज कॉल्ड एज पोटेंशियल इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी. व्हेन ए चार्ज Q moves through a potential difference dV in between any 2 points in an electric field, some work is done upon this charge and this work is stored in the form of potential energy in between these 2 points. Mathematically, electrical energy W is given by W equal to V into Q. So the product of potential and charge is known as work done. But as we know, current I is equal to Q by T implies Q is equal to IT. Therefore, work done W is equal to VIT. This is the mathematical form of electrical energy. Again, we know V is equal to IR from Ohm's law. Therefore, W is equal to, instead of V you can put IR multiplied by IT is equal to I square RT. So, another mathematical expression, W is equal to I square R into T. This is another mathematical form of electrical energy. Again, we know I is equal to V by R from Ohm's law. Now this equation becomes W is equal to V by R whole square into R into T. After solving this equation we get V square R T, V square R T, V square R T whole by R cancel करो. So implies W is equal to we get V square into T R square V square by T whole into R. This is another mathematical form of electrical energy. So at last we can write electrical energy W is equal to V into Q, which is equal to VIT, which is equal to I square RT, which is equal to V square T by R. All are different mathematical form of electrical energy. And what is the unit of electrical energy? If V is measured in volt, I is measured in current, and T is measured in second, then the work done W is taken in joule, that is W is equal to 1 volt into 1 ampere into 1 second is called as 1 joule. So 1 joule is equal to 1 volt into 1 ampere into 1 second. But volt into ampere means watt. So 1 joule is equal to 1 watt into 1 second. Or we can simply say that 1 joule equal to 1 watt second. So 1 watt second or joule is the energy consumed if the power maintained is 1 watt for a second in a device. For example, bulb, our heater, these are measured in watt second unit. Now, as we know, W is equal to V into Q, where V is the potential dimension kono M1 L2 T minus 3 A minus 1 multiply by Q ro kono AT, or implies W is equal to M1 L2 T minus 2 T minus 2. This is the dimension of electrical energy. Then we have to read electric power. Electric power. Electric power is denoted by the letter P. As we know, power P is equal to work by time. When a current I flows through a conductor for a time T, then work done is given by W is equal to VIT. Now electric power P is equal to VIT by T is equal to V into I. So we can say electric power P is defined as the product of potential and current. This is the mathematical expression for electric power. But P is equal to work by time is equal to work means potential into charge by time. V means I square, V को V रख दिया, into Q means IT by T is equal to, again V means IR, कहता है I square RT by T is equal to V square T whole by RT. So implies P is equal to, at last we get VI is equal to I square R is equal to V square by R. This is the different mathematical form of electric power. Next, electric power is measured, unit of electric power. Electric power is measured in watt, and 1 watt is equal to 1 volt into 1 ampere. Thus the power of an electric circuit is said to be 1 watt if a current of 1 ampere flows through it when there is a potential difference of 1 volt across its ends. But as we know, power P is equal to V into I is equal to V dimension M1 L2 T minus 3 A minus 1 whole into A, or implies electric power P is equal to, last we can write M1 L2 T minus 3 this much. This is the dimension of electric power. Next तमरो से इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी आउ इलेक्ट्रिक पावर रो गुड़ाए आमर इंपोर्टेंट नोट आक अच्छे जोटा कि तार भैल्यू आके मन रखा पड़े फॉर प्रॉब्लम हला. नेक्स्ट जीवा आमे व्हाट आर द रिलेशन इन बिटवीन इलेक्ट्रिक करंट I, पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस V एंड रेजिस्टेंस R, पावर P. ये चारिटा भितर संपर्क भेरी भेरी इंपोर्टेंट फॉर यू. आउ जदि एतिकी तमे मन रखिदेव निश्चित रूपे काउंसिल परीक्षा रे 8-10 मार्क इजिली पाई परिबो. व्हाट आर द रिलेशंस? नंबर 1, इलेक्ट्रिक करंट I is equal to V by R is equal to P by V is equal to root over P by R. Secondly, potential V is equal to IR is equal to P by I is equal to root over PR. Third, electrical resistance R is equal to V by I is equal to V square by P is equal to P by I square. Fourth relation, electric power P is equal to VI is equal to I square R is equal to V square by R, and these four relations can be summarized by a chart known as electrician chart. Electrician chart बोले एमती गोटे राउंड टे काटी देव एमती चारिटा देव चार्टा मेंशन कर दियो I V R P देन चार्ट मीन्स मन रखा कराई गोटे चार्ट गोटे एमती दे देव 1 2 1 2 1 2 V कोड कौन लगी पैसा बोले गोटे IR V बोले IR, another is P by I, another is root PR. R means first relation V by I, then paicha V square by P, then paicha P by I square, then P is equal to paicha V I square R, V square by R, I is equal to paicha V by R, P by V root over P by R. These are the relations. Next, relation between electrical energy W and electric power P. ये दीटा मध्य संपर्क कौन अच्छे देखिए. As we know, electrical energy W is equal to VIT. Again, we know electric power P is equal to V into I. So, we can write this equation W is equal to VI बदल पका P into T or implies P is equal to W by T. So relation कौन electric power is equal to electrical energy by time. This is all about your electrical energy and electric power. एत्तिकी formula घुसी की anyway you have to retain your memory for solving the numericals of 2 and 3 marks. Thank you.